Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a newsletter subscription form in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go here in website dashboard, and now you can simply go here and install a plugin WPForms. So simply you need to type here keyword WPForms, and then you can easily install and activate this plugin. And here you can see 6 million plus active installations with 5-star ratings. Now you can go back here WP forms, then go all forms. So now to create a new form, you can simply click here, then scroll down, and you can create the form using AI, as well as you can use different templates to create a new form. So for example, here I need to type newsletter subscription form. So now scroll down, and here you can see these are the different form templates related to newsletter subscription. So I think first one is best. So let me use this template. Before using, you can easily view the demo, and now simply click here to use template. And now you can easily customize and change the fields. For example, name field, if you want to make it only one field, name and email. So now if you want to remove this one name field, then you can simply go here and remove the field, then click on save button. And now if you want to add this contact form into any page, you can simply go here embed, then you can use shortcode, as well as you can create a new page. So let me copy this shortcode. After that, let's go back and add a new page. So give me title newsletter subscription form. You can also add the form from here. And now let me paste the code, then click on publish button. So now let me copy link address, and after that let me go here in an other user, scroll down. So for example, let me add here email, then click on submit, and here you can see we got message, thanks for signing up newsletter. So now let's go in website dashboard and check in WP form entries. Scroll down, this one, click here. So now here you can see this one is the email for the subscribers.